Hi guys. So I was trying to film a video of me revitalizing or resuscitating, whatever, fixing up a wig, and this is what I came up with. Obviously it's an epic fail, but I need to post a video today, so we're just gonna watch me fail at trying to fix a wig, and I didn't do very well because when I was cutting the bangs, my scissors weren't sharp enough, and now that I have like a chunk over here and then it looks okay over here, it's just, I don't know, like it just didn't work out for me. But I'm gonna keep trying because I have other wigs that I could like redo or make it look better. I'm gonna practice, I guess, because I really want to be good at it because I have so many wigs and I still want to wear them, but some of them are too frizzy, or like I just need to learn how to cut properly and all that good jazz, because I cut a lot of length off of this wig. Literally I cut this much hair. Let me show you guys. All this hair off of this wig for it to be an epic fail. But you guys can leave it in the comment section if I failed or not. I will show you guys me struggle busting throughout this whole video, so you guys can see. But you know, in life we don't always succeed, so I'm gonna show you guys me failing basically. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me fail epically at trying to fix this wig and just made it look worse. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So if you want to see me fail, just keep on watching. Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a like wig revival because I want a wig with bangs, but I haven't bought a wig in a while. So I was gonna grab one of my old wigs and rejuvenate it. But when you see this wig, she's gone through some things, okay? So usually when my wigs get old, I put like a braid in it because I'm like, it's done for. But we're gonna see if we can make this wig look good. And also I want to see if I can put bangs in her because she is a free part wig. I don't know what this wig is. If I can find it, I will leave it. Oh, it's actually not. It's kind of just like the middle part, but I feel like it'd still be fine to do bangs with. But if I can find what wig this is, I'll leave it in the link in the description box so you guys can check out the original review of this wig. So I have to take this braid out. Literally, it's so freaking nappy. Like, this is ridiculous. I don't know what I'm gonna do for this hair. I just saw it and I was like, oh no, this is terrible. But this is what the wig looks like. It looks so good. So we're just gonna plop it on her head and we're just gonna be done. And then it's good to go. I know it's what is it, 1B30 it looks like, because it does have the streaks in it. But anyways, let me brush her out and then I'm gonna put her on my head and then we're gonna figure out where our bangs are gonna go. But unless you guys want to see it on my head before I brush it out, I should do that. Let me show you guys what it looks like before I brush it out. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like after I took the braid out. I haven't brushed her or anything. I mean, I guess she doesn't look terrible. I feel like she still has potential once I brush her out. So she's just very, I don't know, stiff. And I'm definitely gonna cut the length of this wig because it is very long and these ends are just like super frizzy. So we're gonna cut that. But let me brush her out and I'll be back. All right, so I brushed my hair out. I added some water as well to the hair. I don't know what happened. Someone stole my voice, but I added water to the hair, but it's still nappy. Like, it gets still tangly. So we're gonna start cutting. I've never cut a wig like a lot, so this will be the first, and hopefully it turns out good. So first we're gonna do some bangs. Oh yeah, I want to tell you guys the lip color because I know it is interesting. I think I did add a lip liner, but this is day 10 of the NYX. It's in the color Abu Dhabi. So it is too light for me, so I added a lip liner. Just voila.
Watch this be like those epic fail bang videos. But it's okay because it's a wig.
Okay, so I have my hair sectioned off. I know it's not perfect, but it is what it is. And also it is round. I know most of the time it's like triangle, but yeah, I'm not perfect. And hopefully it ends up looking okay. So I'm gonna cut the bangs now. I'm so nervous. Okay, so the last time when I cut my bangs, this is what I did. So I just grabbed it to where I want it to fall. So I want it to fall like here. Okay, and then I'm just going to go this way. I'm gonna grab this. So, oh my gosh, this is the scary part. And then we're just gonna cut. I should have something under me. So we're just gonna cut straight across. Oh my gosh. These are probably not the best scissors to cut with, as you guys can see. Oh. So we're just gonna keep cutting until... These are literally baby scissors. Like, they're Crayola. Is it Crayola? Whatever, the crayon thing. I don't know if my hair got... I think I messed up. Oh, okay, so I definitely did something, but I finished cutting my bangs. So I'm gonna straighten them just to see where I'm at, and then if I have to, I will trim some more. But right now they look absolutely crazy. But they are bangs. They look like they're going like this. And I want to cut the length down. I don't know where I want to cut it. Like, I want it to be, I guess, here. Oh, you guys. I guess it'll be the first layer of this wig. So I'm just gonna be scissor happy. And I wouldn't recommend doing this to your real hair because I'm just gonna cut off a chunk and then work from there. This video is basically watch me mess up my wig. Anyways, usually you can do $350 on synthetic hair. This is synthetic, so first off, I'm gonna try to get this hump down. This flat iron is cool because it has like a metal plate right here. It's especially good when you're trying to get like your edges down. You can use that. Okay, it's looking like something. I may have to cut the bangs a little shorter because I literally can't even see. I'm just gonna scooch my wig back so I don't have to cut anymore because your girl does not need to cut anymore off the bangs. We're just gonna frame it a little bit. I feel like this length is really cute, actually. So we have to do it the same to the other side. So I'm gonna straighten it, and I guess I'll be back and see if it looks a little better. Okay, so I finished straightening it. I tried. I was trying my best to make it look good. I feel like if I had sharper scissors, the bangs wouldn't look so crazy because it looks absolutely crazy. The bangs do. at least. So I don't know. This is what I came up with. She tried to make it look cute, but it looks curious. So it's an epic fail. We're gonna try again. I have a lot of wigs that I can try to make it look bomb.com, but this is my first attempt to reviving a wig, and I didn't resuscitate it. It died. Yes, it did die. But I hope you guys enjoyed the fail video. I don't know. I don't know what I did, but leave it in the comment section if you think it's a bomb.com or you think it's a fail. Leave it in the comment section. I would love to know. I really wanted some cute bangs. Like, that's what I want. I want some cute bangs. I may end up buying a wig, and then you guys will see me do a wig review. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.